Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily send a pin on Google Maps app. So today we are going to send to your contact some pin. And first we have to make a pin. So we have to just hold a finger and here create a pin. Now we have to tap this button here, send button, and here we can share the link. And now we can go to Messages app, WhatsApp, Quickshare, Maps, and even Gmail. Or we can just copy, go to, for example, Messages, and copy it to some contact here. And that is how to send a pin on Google Maps. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.